Here I'm going to show you how to add a note to a FreeForm board. First we have to open up the app, and here we have a board already. From here we just go into the top row and click on this icon, and here we have a sticky note. Let's say we want to type something. Like this, and here we can edit the text like this. Increase the font size and then move the sticky note around, and also change the dimensions. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.